Alright, hello everybody. We're going to check out this NCS tunnel at Sunny Splash Car Wash. This is off the 210 in Rialto. With a top wash at 22, a bit steep, but we're going to do it anyway. SF Car Wash channel told me about this place, so let's see how it goes. Hi.
How may I help you today? Have you been here before?
I have not, sir.
You have not?
So I was just going to go for the Ultimate Shine single wash for 22.
Ultimate Shine? Are you interested in getting $6 off? Price of...
The membership, you said?
No, just $6 off. Scan the barcode, follow the process. It'll be a quick 2 minutes. You'll be able to get $6 off. Instead of paying $22, it will only be $16.
Okay. What is scanning that? Does it sign me up for some rewards list, or?
It would just sign you up for, it would just give you messages about any promos we're having, free car washes.
You know what? Yeah, I will go ahead and scan that. So a little something about that barcode they have on there. It signs you up for an email list or a text list or something. But every time you scan it multiple times, you can get a $6 off the top wash. So anyone in the area, take advantage of the barcode that's presented on the payment station. It's worth it, and you can redeem the $6 off the top wash multiple times. This place originally opened as Cosmalia Express Wash, and the McNeil stuff is actually original to the tunnel. It operated under that name until around May 2025, when the name changed to what it is today. When new ownership took over, the Dry and Shine unit was added. My assumption is that the McNeil stuff was also refurbished upon takeover, although I can't confirm that because I don't know that for sure. Now, with that said, the only piece of equipment that didn't work was the driver's side van high brush, probably because it was down for maintenance. Anyway, I would recommend this wash, and I hope that you enjoyed it, and that is it.